Okay, yo, yo, yo! Am I audible, guys? Chat! Oh shit. Wait, hold up. Let me get ready, eh? It's been a long time since I came live, eh? Let me see. Why is it so okay? Today I'm not playing it, so I'm let's stop this shit. So, म के गरिरहेको थिएँ भन्दाखेरि राइट I was looking at it n8n होइन so let me share my screen I need to change my theme music. I need to make another music. Hold up, I know. Okay. Music is gone. The theme is gone. Now we're gonna go back to the work, okay? Because today I'm not playing games. No, no. कहिलेकाहीँ होइन धेरै गेम खेल्नु हुन्न कि लाइफमा. Sometimes you got some stuff, some productive stuff, होइन, then you feel good when doing that. That's why, just to make myself feel good about not playing games and to actually do some work, I'm gonna be a bit productive, man. No, for real though, eh? For real, eh? Like, So, without further ado, I'm gonna let me present you a new skill, eh? The skill is called building an AI agent, as the title suggests. So, as a के गर्यो भनेपछि चाहिँ I found this repo होइन n8n workflow भन्ने, and it has like quite a good good stuff, I guess. भर्खर मैले हेरेको थिएँ होइन. So let's see, है. We're gonna explore this repo होइन. यसमा के छ, के हुन सक्छ होइन. And we're gonna start. Darkमा गइदिउँ न. Oh, damn. This is just all HTML. You fucking kidding me? Okay, Telegram, all agent for top creator leaderboard reporting, testing multiple local LLMs with LM Studio. Okay, long-term memory, not sorry, Telegram. Telegram and okay, prosperity research plus perplexity research, Doxify. I mean, I'm not gonna go through all of these. I could, but most probably I won't. What I'm gonna do is let's first go and try to install try to run the n8n first rules होइन. कहाँ थियो मैले पहिला रन त गराएको थिएँ today. I forgot, bro. Like my memory is like worse than goldfish के. Let's see, the fucking projects, right? n8n. This must be it. I don't know. Let's see. I think यसको लागि डकर चाहिन्थ्यो जस्तै लाग्यो मलाई है. I'm not quite sure. Let's see. We're gonna go through it together. Should I like move my camera? What's up, Cameron? Where is it? Here it is. Let's move it down, अलिकति it's a bit weird, but okay. Type shit, Mm. What's up, TikTok? What's up, YouTube? What's up, Twitch? And what's up, Kick? म तिनटामा लाइभ छु कि It's really hard getting viewers, bro. Like, I don't know. It just is what it is. So anyway, where were we? I was going to the n8n workflow, let's see, मैले त बनाएको छैन. Like, I usually make readme.md so that I know how these kind of stuff works. But I guess I haven't in this one. यसमा चाहिँ हेरौँ यसमा के भनेको छ. npx okay, try instantly with this, require node.js or deploy using docker भनेको छ हैन. Let's try this first, जे होगा देखा जाएगा. What can I say? Yes, why? Yes, proceed. What the fuck? Why is it taking so long time? Should I like pull this repo? I don't know. I feel like I should, right? There must be some upgrade since the last time I did it. Let's wait till it happens. Let's play this music. Oh, too much, too much shit, too much dramatic music. Well, nothing is happening in the background. Should I go for Twitter? Not Twitter. What's that? Twitter? Why did I say Twitter? I don't know. Reddit. Ooh, I just ate and oh yeah, this is good. Okay, can you send me a random photo in a gallery? I'm bored as fuck. La la la. Backseat gaming को scam रे. खोइ battery. What? I don't know. What could go wrong on? Damn. Okay, something's bad about to happen. Ooh. Damn, damn, damn. Is our eye okay? Like, scary, scary. That's why don't smoke, guys. Smoking is injurious to health. Okay, we have something, right? Press O to open browser, right? Ooh. Damn, what was the password? Like, I don't know. I don't know, bro. I usually put this as my default password. Let's see, I don't know. Oh, you know, it's law, man. Law, man. Well, last time I fixed this problem. कसरी नै बिर्सेँ मैले. I don't want to restart everything. default password भनेर कतै छैन. Bro, I remember okay last time यस्तै भयो कि मलाई the same problem happened last time. Then I somehow fixed it. I don't know how I fixed it, but I somehow fixed it. Forgot my password. Please, bro. I am. Would you like to save for 95678, right? Hmm. अब मेरो password के होला त bro? Maybe password itself? होइन र. How do I view the password? How do I view the password? n8n default password. Ooh, see? त्यो लेखिरहेको रहेछ. Okay, you can use to reset login. This is not affect workflow, but we call it CLM command. Okay, हेरौँ है. Okay, you can actually do CLI commands. Should we do it? Let's try, होइन होला कि maybe. n8n password manager reset. Fuck. Maybe in this one, right? I don't think so. Do you have caps lock on? How do I see though? Like, security, bro. Like, come on, come on. I cannot be stopped in my fucking first my case भयो कि त ज्या हुन्छ नि त. Bro, once I remove my this goggles, like it's so fucking bright. I cannot. Uh, so should we do npx n8n user management and reset? Maybe something like this, like. Okay. MFA. If a user lost a recovery code, you can disable MFA for a user with this command. The user will be able to log back in to set up disable गर्नु मिल्छ होइन. If you forgot about don't have SMTP set up to do password reset by email, you can reset user manual using. Okay, now let's see about what if we do like this. About time maybe they will ask for okay, okay, here you go. Uh-huh. 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 No, I'm gonna use my default password. Oh no, no, no. Bro, I even forgot my default password. I don't wanna that. 8 character, 1 number, 1 capital. Yes, I have that. Okay, okay. Hello AI भन्ने मैले ट्राई गराएर रहेछ होइन. डेमो माई फर्स्ट AI एजेन्ट. आई स दिज भिडियोज होइन इन्स्टाग्राम इन्स्टाग्रामतिर चाहिँ वेयर दे आर एबल टु copy the n8n workflow somehow. Like I want to try that. I don't know how, but I think what we do is let me close this stuff that I don't need. You know. I think what they do is like we go in one of these for let's say translate. I don't know what this is. So view detail. Code form. What the fuck? Receive. Okay. View file. Okay. So we copy this, right? And they just say new workflow, right? And it's kind of fucking paste. भइदिइरह. I have no idea what I just did, but भइदिइराखेँ. So anyway, it says requirement Okay, you can update the form to include your preferred language code. Translate to by updating the drop-down field with a new option, or update the Google Translate note back option back to fix. Select your desired language. This will ignore the form option, but it's safe to do. Right? So कस्तो हुन्छ भनेपछि receive str file to translate. We need a str file. अनि यसले चाहिँ ट्रान्सलेट गर्छ, एक्सट्र्याक्ट गर्छ, स्प्लिट गर्छ, स्प्लिट आउट गर्छ, प्रेप्ला ओके गुगल ट्रान्सलेट गर्छ. बट वी हेभ सम क्रेडेन्सियल राख्नुपर्ने रहेछ होइन. एन्ड क्लिन यो गर्छ, यो गर्छ, यो गर्छ. ओके सु वी ट्राई दिस होइन. सिन्स इट्स आवर फर्स्ट वर्क फ्लो, मेबी वी सुड ट्राई दिस. ओके लेट्स सी what is this. Because it's more widely available and easier to set up. What? But how though? What is this? I don't know. How though? Like, later may I think we need this one. I guess. What to? What to for n8n. I think I also did this for you know like गरेको थिएँ मैले यस्तै होइन. So we go for credentials. We wait for a bit. यसो गऱ्यो, यसो गऱ्यो, यसो गऱ्यो होइन. Okay, we get a credential. I get it. I think I did that once. I kind of remember. यसो गऱ्यो, 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 यसो गऱ्यो. Okay. Mosquito bro, प्याचक्कै भइरह्यो. I don't know. यताबाट चाहिँ कस्तो जाने हो? Maybe. Oh, credentials भनेर रहेछ नि त. Ooh, Google, Google OAuth 2. Isn't that what I need? Or is it Google Translate codified? Google Workshop, tasks, see trigger. Okay, let's see this. Continue. Yes, super रहेछ. Don't we have? I think I close Postgres. Olama. ओके ओलामाको एउटा राखेको रहेछ मैले. पोस्टग्रेसको तिनवटा राखेको रहेछ. आई रिमेम्बर वर्किङ द्याट. राइट इरो खाइदिएर ओके वर्कसप ओके. सो दिस वाज द वान आई वाज लुकिङ होइन. अब यसको लागि चाहिँ क्रेडेन्सियल फर गुगल ट्रान्सलेट चाहिँ सेटअप गर्नु रहेछ होइन. गुगल ट्रान्सलेट एपिआई भनेर सर्च गरिदिउँ न होइन. I guess this is it. I have no idea. के गरौँ? Actually, I want to automate some stuff, but I don't know how. Can I automate Reddit? Unless Reddit को छ. Let me see, high detail bro. What is this? IT Reddit. Manual over orchestrated goal sheet Reddit and manual for data processing. Classify. When you click I feel like let's go to Google Studio AI. You know what? We should learn first, so receive str अब यो भनेन. So we are somehow okay. File name is this one. Example file.str भनेर रहेछ. I don't know where it took this file from, but okay, it has size though, so file do exist, I know. Maybe it's in this one, workflow. How do I see the code inside of it? Okay, expose binary. Okay, then we extract text. Okay, let's see. Empty. Okay, we are getting it. So we need to give str file to this. I know. So example str file. Like I think it's subtitle file. I know. Welcome to the example subtitle file. Okay, this is the on str. Okay, how do I download it? The fuck. Mm, script download chip. I don't know. Okay, we got a str file. Let's put this in here. Yeah, no? God damn, what just what I do? Why not? You know what? Let's put this here first. And I think it's rocking. Huh. Oh, okay. Tira narahening huntyo, but whatever. Right. So we need to. How do I feed deactivate pin, try out workflow, convert, no, select all, delete? How do I get this? How do I? Mm, bro, I should have watched some tutorials, but I don't know. So डबल क्लिक गरेपछि हुने रहेछ होइन authentication non upload str language drop down option jp होइन np गरौँ न np en लाई np मा लगौँ होइन xtr okay but how setting okay these are the parameters right uh, but how where is this file located though okay how do I save it? I guess we don't need to save npmp भइहाल्यो होइन multiple choice upload str file type file okay multiple str okay no delete yeah uh, these are the logs right okay. Let's clear the execution mm, mm, I'm stuck now wait I think This does this. This is not what I need. Execution maybe. These are just what I execute. This is nothing else. Evaluation. And okay, we're in editor right now. We in the editor, right? So I need to give this file to this one. But how? Mm, I need to source internet, bro. Okay, here's a form. It's a form that's hard, you know. You have form drop down list one here, you know. But how? I'm not getting any of this shit, bro. Like, what the fuck? I executed, but it's taking this one. But no, I don't wanna. I cannot do anything. Edit. On some of the user will be taken to the form. The next form. Form part ignore both. On substance pen in attribute bondirat so no. So in JSON tabular form like yes, got it elements or this is not what we need. Right. What example? Post node edit output rate. 가스 기운을 IQ. How do I what do you call that? Transfer set. How do I what? How do I give file as input in n8n? Oh fuck. In workflow, I don't know. Okay,
Making RAG AI agent PDFs, or already have for the RAG AI agent in n8n, and this is what we're going to extend to where we built this. And a big difference here is in the bottom right. So based on the file type, we're going to go, we have one for, this is how we can the prompt from the user, the system message, and we hook in our model. I'm just using GPT-4o mini in this case. There's a lot of different models you can use in n8n, like through Grok or Mixtral, or if you wanted to use Claude, you could do that. And then we have a Supabase Postgres database for our chat history. And then the only tool tied to this agent is the retrieve documents tool that's given to us by n8n that allows us to perform RAG. And we have a Supabase models RAG to the knowledge base, starting with the triggers for this to the end of the week based on the we're going to folder. So n8n is going to pull this folder every single minute for any files that are created here, or if I change any of these files in any way, like renaming them or adding or deleting content in the file, all of that. And so what I'm going to do here is actually fetch a test event. And so that way we can see the input that we get to our workflow when a file is created. And it's going to look very similar for when a file is updated as well. And so I'm going to now go on to the next node here, and you can see we have the input So this is exactly everything that we get when the workflow is triggered when a file is created. And this is very important. I'm going to reference this later because there's information here that tells us which type of file we are ingesting. And that way we can split to the correct extract node to work with that file type. And you'll see that in a little bit. And so I'm going to run this step as well. We're going to get the output, including the file ID and the file type.
How though?
Now look
Like,
at the
come on, bro. This is sort of handling, okay, advanced course, right?
Hey and welcome to Advanced Guide. JSON directly output will give you additional information. Table I made a name directly to be able to use. Some of the useful nodes will help you
Yeah, I mean, you know,
with
that you can use the handle
compressing or
files. Come on,
decompressing
no
files
include
using
compressing,
the
decompressing, reading,
.zip
writing files from
format
this,
you're likely
converting
familiar with.
from or slash to
Will allow
the
you
file
to read
format
or
form, you
write
know.
files from the disk. This can be
So I'm cancel workflow. How do I add files? Maybe file file read and write. Read file from the disk. Selector. Okay. So this is a selector. I guess copy path str, add options, file name. Okay, execute step. I don't know. Okay, we setting nodes, try on fail, execute once. The fuck? So it does execute. Maybe we just do this, do this, do this. Remove this, do this. No, bro, I'm lost already. I'm so lost. Like I have no idea. So okay, it's gonna read. I know it's gonna read, but what's gonna be the output? Set a mock data. Okay. Uh, so we're gonna have some outputs. I know, just like this. Wait. Should I be remove this? Add this. Oh, what's the problem though? Like what? Please resolve this issue before activating it. Right? Give me oh my god, I'm just fucking hot. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's create another work. Let's I think we should go from the basic, eh? Try to understand from the complexity isn't gonna work out. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna start from example number 1. Now, will this be helpful? I have no idea. Example number 1. And that is this one. Bit warrant, eh? I don't need bit warrant shit, bro. What the fuck? What is this? Uh, okay. This seems like something to understand. So let's copy this and let's first understand. गर्छ चाहिँ के हो गर्ने चाहिँ कसरी हो like so we do this so we're trying to merge so data 1 मा हामीले चाहिँ एउटा script दियो right okay item 0 okay this is literally like a JSON data I guess so item 0.json भनेको चाहिँ हैन data भयो and pointer panel 1 subject node interviewer भन्ने छ id email छ zone छ pointer छ अर्को and it has id name and email भन्ने भयो हैन and time zone okay convert गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ so this is just a simple script right so it takes each item from that and new item like push गर्यो okay there's nothing in the output so this is the converted हैन pointer यो plan यो subject blah blah yada yada and interviewer भनेको यो हो time zone भनेको यो okay and we got input 1 what about input 2 okay this is another input name first I think we should go by watching some tutorial because it's getting this right. What about this? Bro, bro, bro. The fuck? So many shit in this. Okay, n8n advanced course. Let's go with course 1.
Hello and welcome to video number 1 of the advanced course for n8n. In this course, we will be covering everything you need to know to become an expert workflow builder. In this video specifically, we'll talk about how data flows through n8n workflows.
Okay.
In the beginner course, we started to create short branches. So you might have wondered, if we have multiple branches, what order do the different nodes in those branches execute in? So we're going to talk about node execution order. For workflows created in version 1.0 and above, n8n will execute each branch in turn, completing one branch before starting another. Branches are ordered based on their position in the canvas, from topmost to bottommost. If two branches are at the same height, it is the leftmost branch that will execute first. In this workflow, you can see that the node execution order would be wait, then wait 1, then wait 2 and wait 3, followed by wait 4 and wait 5. So we'll be going top to bottom, left to right. This can be changed on a workflow basis. However, it is not recommended.
Bro, I don't have time to watch all this shit. You know what? Watching tutorial is a waste of time. So we're just gonna learn by hand. Let's first watch some of those, you know. Uh, yeah, Guarco Road बन्दैछ भनेर सुनेको थिएँ मैले हैन. Let's see. Ooh, that seems nice. What the fuck? कहाँ गयो? Why do European look so shady compared to those in other developing region? Probably because it's Nepal. Which profession you wouldn't marry and why? Which profession I wouldn't marry, you know? Let's see. Which profession? Probably a porn star. I don't know. Ooh, whoa. Damn, swallowed that motherfucker whole. I don't know, let's go Google, bro. I love Google AI Studio. I don't know, more than ChatGPT nowadays. It's great. New, eh? Damn, they are releasing like new model every fucking week. Kinda. What? How do I change? I don't know. What is the ghost of Tsunami Live? Rewatch me. So false topic. So should we use 2.5 Pro? Okay, Pro it is. Okay, I want to build an n8n workflow that will okay, you know what, I know I know a way to go to write prompt in AI stuff. So first you say write me a prompt that will help the Google Gemini I know Gemini to create a n8n workflow which will okay, what I want n8n to do is which will post in my Reddit whenever I go online, which will post in my Reddit whenever I go online with the link from the YouTube. I don't know. Let's see, you know. So it's gonna write me a prompt and I'm gonna feed that prompt into the same machine again. So it's called working smart, or just letting the AI work itself. I don't know. I have no brain cell, that's why I'm doing it. Okay, let's see. You are an n8n export workflow designer. Okay, this term I would not have guessed like in million year. Okay, n8n workflow designer. You know, alright, detailed step by step guide. Trigger, filter, action, post content. Okay, overview. Step by step. Okay, I don't know. Okay, we do this, you know, and we open another chat, you know, and we go pro and we do this, you know. uh so in here मलाई चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने के छ भनेपछि चाहिँ step by step trigger authentication filter live ready to tell the user to enter the target edit name. What's my Reddit? Tell the user to enter the target Reddit subreddit name. So I need a subreddit for it. Like this one. I don't know. Nepal. Let's see. Let's see यसले गर्छ कि गर्दैन, because I don't have time to do all this shit by myself, you know. I want the AI to do the AI stuff. This is a next level of laziness. Or is it? Or am I just being smart? Fuck. Brother, what the fuck? Okay. Okay, let's just give it an example. I guess then it will YouTube. Oh no. Battery सकिरा guys. Create me a JSON file that will create the above workflow. Here's example to take reference from, I guess. Yo, Nepalko set role. Where are you from, Ray? You got a subscriber post, good video. Oh, thank you, Brainwave Builder. I wasn't focusing on the chat. I was busy doing some random stuff. I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah, bro, I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. It's just that I don't get too much engagement in the chat. That's why I just forget. I'm just gonna copy this. I don't know. Dorasco set rolling. Who the fuck is set rolling? Where is video? What this video is about? Bro, don't ask. No one knows what this video is about. What do you mean you cannot find proper ops? What the fuck? I did copy it whole and it was working perfectly fine. Now it's saying is fuck fucking Google. Uh do I get knowledge of AI? Probably not. Probably not. You're just gonna watch me being frustrated using the AI, trying to build something from the AI for the AI. I don't know. So we're gonna feed the same prompt to chat GPT, you know. No, Azkal, it's not for people anymore. It's for the AI. We are all for the AI God, and we're gonna live for the AI God, and we're gonna die for the AI God. Uh, Improve. Just give me the JSON file like this. I guess I don't know. I don't know what this is. I haven't even read this shit. Bro, I think all your subscribers are Nepal, so and you speak in Nepali. म नेपाली नै बोल्छु. Yeah, yeah. If I feel like it, I speak in English. Can anyone tell me what he's cooking? Bro, to taste the shit that I've been cooking, you have to wait till the end. It's either gonna be the law man. No idea. The fuck? Do I need to make new workflow? Leave without saving? Nah. So we do this. What the fuck? एकचोटि सर्च बक्स सेट रोकिङ ग्लासेस गिमी ग्रे. Okay, I'm gonna search this. Hey, this is from the chat. कहाँ गयो? I was searching this. I know. Okay, set rolling रे. Ooh. No, the glasses are totally given. Let me just see who set rolling is first of all. The fuck is this? Nah, what? Set rollins. Okay. Set rollins. No. Okay. I can see. I can see a little bit of resemblance. Uh-huh. Not bad, eh? This is 10 by 10 fashion. Bro, let me first do this. What's happening? I'm getting error. What was the error, man? कति धेरै tab open हो? Can I copy this? Just like this. Mismatch, outdated, fixed version of the workflow. Okay. So this must be the name of the workspace workflow. I don't know. And we have nodes and bro, I have to go for speed. Can you tell me what this video for? This video is me trying to make AI using AI. Ooh, K the K boy. It's not connected, but something just happened, eh? Yeah, you can you can say that everything is copy paste. Is this live screen? What is this? Okay, let's see. This is nothing like parameters given center setting ray. What the fuck? So this is like fucking star detect live stream. Like install the node to use. What the fuck, bro? Fucking pose. What the fuck? JSON snippet Leo. I know like true छ भने सबमिसन गरिदियो भन्यो ओके ignore not a live stream bro what so we need a trigger होइन what is a trigger भनेपछि अब गनको ट्रिगर हुन्छ नि लाइक च्यु 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 गर्ने ट्रिगर चाहियो हामीलाई होइन let's see what trigger does. Why is nothing simple, bro? Like, why does this have to be so complex? Or am I just too fucking below the simpleness? Connection, okay, I need another chatbot. This chatbot is not using perplexity. Let's go perplexity then, okay? And in the perplexity, what we do is I think we can add folders in here and so what we're gonna do is we have all of these are for YouTube's. I know how do I copy analyze video for summarizing plus Google Gemini AI right? Ooh. Star Wars conflict days Mars the fuck okay seems good. YouTube video with AI summarizers on Discord. Yeah, this one may be the one useful, right? It says new video, download new video, upload video to YouTube, Happy Flight token, get transcript. I just transcript the tag. I don't need the tagging stuff, bro. What the? Okay, maybe let's try this one. You know, it's complex. Yeah, sure. Okay. Sure. View file. Analyze YouTube transcript. Okay, let's do this. I don't know. Let's see. एकछिन यो ट्राई गरौँ होइन दिस सिट इज नट वर्किङ फक अफ what is so try me रे is there anything okay यता चाहिँ what आइरहेको छ होइन start the workflow default summarizes the video with the emphasis execute I don't know let's see first नै प्रब्लम आएछ त why can't I click anything oh finally allows you to extract video stripe no drop down list from this YouTube video ID text it's not asking me to take like how do I give the input कि यो भिडियो चाहिँ हेर भनेर like how it doesn't even say what kind of shit problem this maybe we're supposed to give here okay let's go मेरो channel right and let's see view your videos is there any short videos where I'm talking and stuff like that I don't want big videos small one setup would ain't gonna work I don't think so short video maybe here section I don't know let's see I guess it's taking the placeholder as this one So we just go where the fuck it is. Okay. So it's get ID and we said this on submission the user will be taken to next form node pane छैन. Okay. हुनु चाहिँ कहाँबाट आइरहेछ problem? Just give me some logs. Like what the fuck set up mock data? This is not, bro. What the fuck, bruh? Cancel. It knows to view data. I'm executing it, but it's not executing. Maybe it's because we have to trigger the workflow. This should be like the workflow. I'm easy boy, no. Short indication. I didn't know, right? Fly Lambo, yo, what's up? What's up, Fly Lambo? What's up? Do any one of you know how to use n8n? Because I'm stuck now, like how do I see what the error is though? Like this workflow allows you to extract various type of actionable information from the YouTube video, that is audience specific, using dynamic compose prompt, right? Like what? Prompt type, download drop down list, default, summarize scene clip. It must do something, requires field YouTube video ID भन्यो, and we gave a ID to the video. Maybe this video is not good enough. Is that it? So let's go here. But I don't want to see my old videos. Let's don't sell AI infrastructure. Here's how the massive opportunity is. I need something called, okay, what the fuck is this? Maybe it's supposed to be equals to, maybe, like, I don't think this is working out. I need an n8n export, bro. Or I need just new to watch fucking tutorials, I guess. That could work, watching tutorials. I don't know. I need to clean my brain. Let's watch some bro book a ride for himself. Okay. I need a break. I need a few break. Oh yeah, I like this video. It got quite popular, right? Crossing my Hajmola because it tastes better. Is it? I haven't tried Hajmola for quite a while. धेरै भयो try नगरेको. I don't know. The last time I tried must be ages. Heard they were very bad for health. I don't know. This shows how desperate we are for development. What? I wonder कस्तो होला है यो ब्रिज. I want to go. Friday हुन्छ होला हैन यसको उद्घाटन. Maybe I'll just go for a ride here. And India, yeah. Can you send me a random picture where charge to create myself, but opposite gender, and I'm in love. How improve so much oil, spicy every day? I'm amazed. Why not just open the flyover? I don't know. Where can I buy a Wi-Fi car in Kathmandu for my what? गयो मेरो कसम हात कमिरा छ ब्रेकअप I want to read about this kind of stuff. What could be possible outcome? Oh, I heard about this, right? 112 orb cubic meter natural gas discovered in the lake. The lake. That means money will be coming in and gas will be going out.
No. No. No.
Kendrick Lamar.
No. Nigga.
Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Punte Kiyama, yeah. Oh shit, I should like source for sure, right? n8n, what the fuck? What is this? This copycat mega canvases and other knows based on over here Facebook and where. I did maybe they're right. This stuff never works out. Let's go to nah. Outs. Yeah, I looked at this one.
Choose this one. If you've sat in your car for 20 minutes after getting home.
So guys, we're just gonna watch some videos on YouTube now.
Down here that says when executed by another workflow, some stuff. AI agent. So right away you can already tell what the difference is, but you can also see some similarities. So let's break it down. Starting with an AI workflow, we can see that we have an input similar to like we did up top with our LLM. In those could practically look like. First of all, we have a tool which is HubSpot, and that's going to be the input for this workflow.
Okay.
This will basically pass over a new lead that has been inserted into our CRM. And then we're hitting another tool, which is Perplexity, which helps us do research.
Okay.
So we're going to do research on that lead. Terminology mail and low is in processing we're now use exact search. So
let's just do it, bro. Let's just fucking do it. Don't stop talking.
Research report that I'm gonna AI
Fuck.
other
I don't want to look at this shit.
83% telling the truth in with you guys and everything. Very here. We have like a personal ability to go to our projects. We have things that have been shared with us. Instance events I have, how many active, and this that I in my simple AI. In order for us to actually access this demo, chat button down here is our AI agent respond it, and I can see what is the in here, which is called credential, which we'll talk about CRM. In order to actually, I'm going to find on this front. But don't worry, later in this video, I'm going to cover how we can actually go to OpenAI and get an API key and create our own password in here. But for now, we've claimed 100 free credits, which is great, and we can create our own password.
Oh, we can any free OpenAI API credits. What? Is this really the? Fuck.
Choose this one down here that says when executed.
Fuck.
which literally just add first step, and then where, how. But if I click on overview, that just takes us back to the main save. And I'm under choose. It's gonna ask go or OpenAI or your CRM. You always need to import some sort of credential, which is just a fancy word for a password, in order to actually like get into that information. So right here we can see there's 100 free credits from OpenAI. I'm going to click on claim credits, and now we just are using our n8n free OpenAI API
oh my
credits.
God, it's because I don't care.
Text. Our agent's going to let's start memory, and we'll click to us. That down. What I would and an overview that just takes us back to that right. I'm here in the top left to name it. So I'm just going to call this one demo.
Okay.
So projects you can save one for customer and organize. So when I click on add further, we can have a certain event like it's to run at 6 a.m. every single day. We can have a webhook call, form submission, chat message like we saw earlier. There's tons of ways to actually trigger. It gives us this button where if we click test workflow, it goes ahead and executes. Cool. So this is a workflow and this is a node, but this is a trigger node. What happens after a trigger node is different types of nodes, whether that's like an action node. So and this pulls up a little panel on the right that says what happens next. Do you want to take action with AI? Do you want to take action within a certain app? Do you want to do data transformation? There's all these other different types of nodes. And what's cool is, let's say we wanted to take action within an app. If I clicked on this, we can see all of the different native integrations that n8n has. And once again, in order to connect to any of these tons of different tools that we have here, you always need to get some sort of password. So let's say Google Drive. Now that I've clicked into Google Drive, there's tons of different actions that we can take, and they're all very intuitive. You know, would you want to copy a file? Would you want to share a file? Do you want to create a shared drive? It's all very natural language. And let's say, for example, I want to copy a file. In order for n8n to tell Google Drive which file do we want to copy, we first of all have to provide a credential. So every app, you'll have to provide some sort of credential. And then you have basically like a configuration panel right here in the middle, which would be saying, what is the resource you want? What do you want to do? What is the file? All this kind of stuff. So whenever you're in a node in n8n, what you're going to have is on the left, you have an input panel, which is basically any data that's going to be feeding into this current node. In the middle, you'll have your configuration, which is like the different settings and the different little levers you can tweak in order to do different things. And then on the right is going to be the output panel of what actually comes out of this node based on the way that you configured it. So every time you're looking at a node, you're going to have three main places: input, configuration, and output. So let's just do a quick example where I'm going to delete this Google Drive node by clicking on the delete button. I'm going to add an AI node because there's a ton of different AI actions we can take as well. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to talk to OpenAI's kind of like ChatGPT. So I'll click on that, and I'm just going to click on message a model. So once that pulls up, we're going to be using our n8n free.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a new one. Add a first step, trigger manually, and okay, it's done. The second step is AI and AI agent, and we're gonna open Llama, right? So it's an app which hosts, I guess, which hosts I don't know, LLMs. Fuck. Llama, bro. Llama, stop embarrassing me. Come open. Llama. Motherfucker. Okay, let's just in this. Bro, I hate this fucking window, bro. Like, I don't care if it's a fucking virus. I mean, I do care if it's a virus, but at the same time, like, bro, it's me who executed it, so fuck off. Ah! Okay. Why is tax? You know what? I'm not gonna ask. It's actually, I guess it's installing the shit. I keep on. Okay, let me install it, and let's see how we can just connect uh n8n llama local, you know. Let's see how to run llama 3.1 locally on your computer. Step by step tutorial. Ultimate installation. Okay, it's 2 days ago. Let's
After following this without having to write runs, and of course steps that I'm showing of continue with is docker-scm.com, and here which is VS Code has been on this page. You can find the command right folder contains a few files. Let's navigate to line 51 to change the port number, because this port is the port that Ulama is already using, to 5432. 5432, like this. And now you should be able to operating systems, and with different copy this Docker open. So just open the Docker application here and then press. Cases you also want to start. For example, we're also going to do large language model already been installed to run large language. This is a really good model. It will run on almost is previous window containers icon, and click. So click on this one, click on AI, and then we're just going to go for a basic LLM chain. And this allows us to talk to a large language model. Of course, we also have to add here the model that we want to speak to. So let's click on the plus icon. And here you can then, because
Yo, hello, Promise Busnet. What's up, bro? I'm losing my mind doing some shit that I don't even know what I'm doing. What the fuck? अघि भएको होइन man. Okay, I don't think I've installed this. Gamma, okay. Gamma 3 latest, maybe this is the one. I just say hello, I guess. Ooh, 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 circle, circle. Okay, okay, hello there. How's your day going so far? Is there anything I can help you with? Do you want to chat about something? Get on topic, play a game, just say hello. Okay, we did got some response from, okay, Olama is working. That's Kihoyore. Bro, I don't know. I don't know. This is n8n. This is n8n. n8n is like uh a way that you can automate shit using AI, I guess. That's what I understand so far, you know.
it's n8n, and you can, and depending on your text, and this.
So we got this, I know. Now let's add like file like extract to file, like what do you call that, file maker? No, this is not file maker, local file trigger, edit fill scan, write read or write. Okay, let's do write file to disk गरौँ न हैन. So simple concept के छ भने we're gonna write something to LLM, right? And we're just gonna save the response. I don't know, that's what we're gonna do. Later on we're gonna have some memory, I guess. I don't know. Write to disk. Okay, so we have to give it a path, you know. Drag input field from the left. Oh, wait, drag variable steady where execution ID workflow when okay, so when chat basic element when getting this. Okay, basic element chain hello there. I don't know, let's के गरौँ भनेपछि चाहिँ let's create another file called output.txt, you know, and we're gonna copy the part, I guess. Do this. Input is a text. Execute. Do we need to like convert it into a file? Because I'm kind of confused and ahora to contain a binary file up, but none. Let's watch another tutorial then.
Returned from the database my name, and look at that, we get a successful response back and JS. So the settings for this node, use the system message to change things, and for the canvas we can see that this agent can take in a few inputs. We need to assign a chat model, and optionally we can assign things like memory and tools. If I click on this plus button, it shows all the different LLM providers. Now in this list there is this PL. If given this on my machine is successful, and I can now see all the models that I've downloaded on my machine. This didn't cover our conversation history, but watch what happens when I ask it is that in history. So every message we send at memory node, which stores the conversation in.
यो मैले पहिला गरेको याद त छ मलाई हैन, but I'm trying to do a bit different stuff. Maybe we cannot write it directly, we have to convert this into let's put this here, you know. So data transformation, it's like summarize, compress file, convert. Okay, convert JSON data to file, binary data to JSON, convert from file, convert to file भन्ने रहेछ हैन. So maybe use this, convert to CSV, convert to text file गरिदिउँ हैन. Hello? यो भयो Hey yo, how does n8n works, bro? Okay, I want to die out. Let's see this. I understand you're going to national. Oh, damn. It's giving me a lot of stuff. Uh, okay, data should be text. Drag your text from. We have to drag. केही न केही सिकिरहेछ है केटोले put output file. Ooh, ooh, ooh. ल है यसले जोस् I think it convert into binary होइन and we do this and I execute step. Ooh, okay, okay. Oh, all right. Something happened. Now let's see. यसले सेभ गर्यो कि गरेन है Ooh, it did, it did. This motherfucker really did it, right? I understand you're going through a difficult time and you're struggling with the thoughts of wanting to die there, okay? It's not what I wanted, but okay. At least we got something. So I guess I I will postpone my death for now. No, okay, we got something, right? So अब now अब के गर्न मिल्छ भनेपछि अब के गरौँ भनेपछि चाहिँ हैन so at least we learn something हैन so instead of this how about we add AI agent हैन AI agent works right back so we're just gonna get something like delete this bro fuck okay this delete this so we're not going to use this but we're going to use this instead you know so try this modal is cannot be connected to node because they are not compatible. Let the fuck you mean by they are not compatible bits at now are they okay it's about it's this is a basic element we don't need this it's side you know so we got this I know and we're gonna convert the output to his one and let's also put some memory you know memory राख्नु पर्यो नि त so for the memory we could either go the Postgres chat memory or or for beginner it's simple. I'm not a beginner, okay? Don't think of me as a beginner. I've been learning this shit for like what's the time for like uh for like 91 minutes. So I'm not a yo Ayus, what's up, what's up, what's up? ल है सो अब के गरौँ भनेपछि वी गना एड I'm doing some AI stuff है. I don't know most of this. Maybe Redis. Do I have Redis installed here? Redis. I don't know. I don't even know. I should have, I guess. Credential. Create new credential. Damn. 6-3. Password पनि चाहिन्छ. Redisमा password चाहिन्छ. Yo, what's up? Our chat is becoming active. आजको म्याच कसले जित्छ अरे? के म्याच छ bro? What kind of match is going on? What, cricket? Or are you talking about football? I think there was club football भइरहेछ, right? That's what I think. I was Speed, so he was doing some speed stuff with footballs and stuff. Okay, Postgres chat in my Postgres account. 3 does it what? Oh yeah, I remember setting up this Postgres guy. Let's see. यो भयो connect chat, histories, context window length 15. Fuck it. View, I want to die. No, this is not the context. Okay, let's see, does it work? No, we cannot connect this. Okay. Hello there. Who's going to win on the next World Cup? Bits. Ooh, problem idea. Okay, we got some problem with Postgres chat memory. Password authentication failed for you. Now I remember. Yeah, remember. Oh no. Let's look at PZ admin. I don't know if I set up anything in here. This can't be it, is it? I don't think it is. Postgres भन्ने टेबल कसले बनाएछ? Fatal code, this, that. Authentication. Hey, my database भन्ने चाहिने रहेछ with local host. That's a big ass password, eh? Ignore SSL. Okay, disable 5432. Need help? Yes. Let's open a docs then. Create a user account on a Postgres server, database connection, refer Postgres document member service. Okay, the host or domain server, the database name, the username, the password, ignore SSL. Okay, enter the host or domain or you can either run the config command to confirm the host or run the query. What? Where do I run this query though? You know what? When you don't understand shit, always go to YouTube. यसले पनि connect गरिरहेको थियो. I think
Local memory. Name. And this time the agent is able to retrieve our name, because it's got in the chat passcode and art. So a better and for the host we can leave it on local user. I had that as my user that we set up earlier. Press chat and for the use that I have and forth as was database. And if this isn't working for you, then you need to ensure that this database is up and running in Docker desktops. All
n8n Postgres chat memory. हेरौँ न त हैन right way रे
What's good everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can build and over this, or we can just pose just adding new formats. What we're going to do is we're going to get only other option that is so use usually, of course you can use another one, so which I if you're doing this before 11, so let's great is still being set up, so just paste the information here, the database and the table name. It is okay, we connected successfully.
Local host sometimes the 0 views videos are the OZ video, eh? Say it from the experience. Oh.
AI agent suggests in the local need. Now in database, you can actually in a local won't go into name it as earlier, but you can select create new credentials from the credential instance hosted in a memory from the list. I have some credentials that I created earlier, but you can select create new credentials from the credentials to connect with. Drop down, fill in the information starting from host. This is where the DB server is located. I have my n8n instance hosted in a Docker container, and I will have to change this to something else, which I will come back in a bit. Database is the name of the database we just created. User is the Postgres server admin. Password is the password for your Postgres server admin. And finally, this will give an error saying it is available on the internal local host of the Docker container. So we'll go back. Yep, it will be created. Have n8n Postgres side by side to see what happens when we execute our workflow. To have and look under the tables node, you won't see anything yet. Let's execute our workflow. N button, all green, fresh tables. I see a new table created with the name.
Okay, let's try it in. So what we have is we got a database named Postgres, I know. But it has no user though. Is that it? Postgres user Postgres password Postgres save account tree. How do I execute this? Table name this, okay. Now failed for user Postgres. So create super user for Postgres database like this. Okay, let's go SQL query. Documentation हेरौँ न. Create role गर्ने मिल्दो रहेछ हैन. Okay, let's open this. No, PSQL. Uh, damn. No. Bro, I've forgotten about the admin password kit here. के होला त एडमिनको पासवर्ड में यो पनि हैन त्यो पनि हैन लाइक व्हाट कनेक्टिङ लोकल होस्ट fatal यही भएन के PSQL भएन I have no idea. Oh my, documentation च्याउ भयो chat GPT. Oh, oh yeah, chat GPT. But I don't know. Chat GPT has been psycho lately. I know it's not a elegant solution, but for now it will do, right? I cannot do PSQL, bro. That's the problem. I forgot my PSQL password. Bits! Sudo -u postgres PSQL. No. I'm gonna -u found, right? Maybe it's capital U. Fuck. Okay, password is simply fuck. GRES. I don't know password. I don't know password. यसमा त लगइन छ है भ्यू लग्स कस्तो बिर्सेको हो त मैले bro what the fuck okay he's saying me to go to like uh posting on search for pz underscore sba am I an idiot oh main भन्नेमा रहेछ नि त there is no main bitch what the fuck you mean by main so okay let's go for windows and data मा रहेछ नि data p pz hub config भन्ने छ हैन so we're gonna open it with notepad and open okay multiple line that starts with replace md5 with draw stray so the fuck is md5 all addresses is this all is this it like should we try you know what I'm gonna just for security I'm gonna keep a copy of this I know and change this to trust close the file open the service file and restart it okay okay let's hope nothing happens eh if something happens then something happens bro I don't care I mean I do care and I'm gonna revert back okay I saved it I closed it services Postgres you know and we restart it Okay, it's running, I guess. cd in the C program file bin, right? Bin, fuck, bin मा गएर then we cmd here. Bro, I hope I can enter this. Okay, okay, we got it, in. Okay, we got in. Alter user password with password. It's gonna be simple. The password gonna be same as postgrace नै राख्दियौँ हैन, postgrace with the password postgrace. Okay, no, simple like this. Okay, make sure that you include fuck. Oh, we need this, I guess. That's why. Okay, role alter, right? Should be displaying the representation. Open file, change backdraws to MD5. Huh? What if I don't change it at all? के हुन्छ त्यसो गर्यो भने चाहिँ? Do we need to? I guess we can change it, right? Data open with notepad. You know why to fuck it up, you know? So we got copy of it like this. Open with notepad. So so we're gonna same. It tells me to do MD5, but since it had scrap SHA 256 at the beginning, so I'm just gonna do this. Go here and then restart it. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Now the password should change, I guess. PSQL. No, not PSQL. Ooh, भइदिरा. Okay, okay, we got in Postgres with Postgres, you know. I guess now what? म के गर्दा थिएँ? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I was building this shit, you know. यसलाई यता गएर. So Postgres, and then Postgres. Everything is Postgres, bro. Ooh, successful, hey, successful. Okay, okay, we're getting somewhere, hey, we're getting somewhere. N8n chat histories. Okay, okay, let's put it like this. Okay, we go back now. Run it. Ooh, boy. We do this. Law. Okay. I think I know what I will. So the output from the agent should go here. No. Execute. Okay, now it's working. Now it should work. Your film fashion workup is coming normal. However, I know the language using offensive display term like this. Okay, okay, अब चाहिँ can we like clear everything out? Like, how do I do that? How do I save it? Okay, saved. Let's call it Olama Postgres AI. Okay, hello there. Can you call me Roviso? let's see यसले कन्टेक्स्ट कुरा गर्छ गरेन है okay, the output is hello Roviso, nice to meet you. What are you hoping to talk about regard context याद गरे है World Cup को भने so it actually remembered our stuff that we said. Now यो चाहिँ post grace मा हुनुपर्छ है let's see table I guess refresh it the fuck. Wait, let me open it again. Yes. PG admin. Fuck, भइदिइराके ल PG admin नखोलिदिरा bro. Object has been destroyed, Ray. Oh no. We did something that did something that did something, eh? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, you're like कसरी fix गर्ने त bro? हुनु चाहिँ भयो हैन तर एउटा कुरा गरेर पछि अर्को कुरा बिग्रिने रहेछ नि त what's my name bitch? Let's stick to friendly conversation. All right, your name is Roviso. What are you thinking about the World Cup today? Lai. अब यसलाई next step लगिदिउँ न त. What's the time? ल 11:30 हुन लाग्छ. Okay, we can do one more thing, है. What is this? Tools? What was tools? Tools? Wait. Okay. Tools, हैन Postgres PG vector store. I don't know, chat memory, I think that does it. Tools. अरूहरुमै के गर्नु मिल्छ compression tool, copper, crypto tool, Discord tool, chat, Google Calendar, Google Drive. Do I want to know what about let's just see के छ Jinxin, Jira, Kafka, LinkedIn. What about is there X or Twitter? X X former Twitter too. Okay, we need credential. Create new credential. Local host client. How do I? Twitter API docs. Okay, okay, X API रहेछ हैन subscribe to Pro Access API getting started. Free को हैन okay, price is free access to API piece 2 भनेको यही त हो नि हैन fundamental tweet. Where do I see mine though? Tutorials, X platform, developer portal, I know. Okay, developer portal, set up developer account. Do I need developer account? I guess I do. Basic. Describe all your users for Twitter data and for के भन्ने त I am trying to develop app using Twitter API भनौँ न हैन you understand for educational भनौँ न purpose अर्को I love you alone पनि भनौँ न र दिन्छ कि okay I understand that you may know okay you understand okay you accept yep must be a character or longer I love you, Elon Musk. This is solely for myself. I like learning stuff and trying stuff out that I see in the internet. I am firm believer of freedom of speech and freedom of developer. Okay, submit. Uh, okay, uh, this is key and two review. Bear token. Okay, हामीलाई के चाहिने रे client ID client secret चाहिने हैन okay what's the client ID API key app permission read and write. Okay, in the user authentication set. Okay, what is saying is okay, let's just save this stuff, I guess. New file Twitter. Damn, access token. Yes, I saved him, like I don't know. So it's telling me to go to where? User authentication product I know. Close it. Set the app permission range if you want to use all of in overview tab right now. Overview ma चाहिँ okay, in the overview tab, where did I saw that overview? Can't have really. Find the app section and select add app. App section. App. What the fuck? App management. Okay, hey, this is the product app, right? This was with the client address and client secret भनेपछि we go here, you know, and review, and is that it? Connect my account. Maybe it's just this one. It's matter okay. Yeah, I'll go back and try logging in there. app setting भनेको छ हैन so wait up okay setting here it is setting name is this setup read write and direct message type of app okay type of app select web automate and boot or both confidential client okay copy the okay in the X find the app info section and paste the URL in the callback add website URL right callback भनेको यो भएन in your X find the app info section and paste the URL in as the call maybe this is the URL that I'm working maybe okay maybe त्यति मात्र होला हैन oh no maybe local host भएकोले मिल्दैन कि oh my god oh no fucking this is it call back यो पो रहेछ त maybe that's why it's not working ooh ooh connection successful right wait यताबाट यस्तो तान्नु मिल्दैन डाटालाई test post from n8n भनौँ हैन no parameter was set up to fill click on this button Okay, tweet user. Okay, I want to tweet, create, like, retweet, source. Yeah, it's a create. This is a new one, you know. So let's do x.com. Fuck. .com. Okay, it has not been posted yet, I know. The no, the AI agent doesn't exist, but it's used in expression here, right? ल म्या फेरि के प्रब्लम आएछ यो doesn't support tools, Ray? Fucking kidding me? Bro, ओलामा पनि ओपन भएको होइन, like what the fuck is happening? कस्तो नखोल्या हो त ओलामा पनि ओलामा खोल न bruh, you fucking bruh. I need to install another one. Hey, I think we'll learn. Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember. Right. I'm an idiot. Bro, I want Queen 3 right now, but I does it support tools? How do I see कसले support tool support गर्छ and कसले गर्दैन भन्ने 2024 Queen 3 must support latest 5.2 GB yeah, that is not that bad. Context text 5.2 GB 1.7 B 1.4 GB 4B 8B चाहिँ latest रहेछ. Should we download the latest one? I don't know. This Lipstick R1 को सबभन्दा धेरै रहेछ हैन पुल चाहिँ. But I want something that's like it's saying it's multimodal. It's चाहिँ हैन. Llama 3.3 को 2 million pools हो है. Okay, fuck it. We're gonna do Queen 3 है. Latest गरे पनि Queen 3 को support हुनुपर्छ होला हैन. Let's wait. Damn, 43 Mbps. That's okay. Let's wait. I wait. Dream join रे TikTok मा. Tap गर्नु साथी हो. Tap. Why does it seem like it's so hard? I never thought I'd be far. Loi. Verifying SHA 256 digest, right? What model are you I am Queen Laz. Okay, Alibaba go Queen. Okay, okay, we got Queen, eh? We got Queen. We got Queen in the system. So let's change it to Queen. Yep. How about now? No parameter are set up to fill by the AI. Eh? Ooh, ooh. Hello X, this is a test tweet from AI. Oi, lie, 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 lie. Okay, okay, let's give another one. अर्को के गरौँ भनेपछि चाहिँ okay, write me a tweet saying we should stop war and create peace with hashtag of Iran, Israel, USA. Should I know this? I don't know. Should I do this? Nah, bro. Let's not get political. You know, saying we should all make peace with appropriate, hashtags like Nepal, Nepal, Buddha, I don't know, and stuff. Okay, we should all make peace. Okay. Ôi, भइदिरा ल, tweet भइदिरा. I think this is like, I did it. I used n8n and I automated some stuff, right? So this is a big win for me, and it took me what, 2 hours to figure it out, but I did it. So yeah, I will be doing more n8n work stuff for myself here. I will try to learn it, in stream as much as possible. So let's see. I think this is it for today. I learned a lot. Not a lot, but I learned something. Safeguard, I know. Post launch AI Twitter, AI Twitter. This is. Alright, guys. I think this is it, eh? Yeah. This is it, guys. This is it. Yeah. I know it's late night, and I gotta go to sleep right now. Today, I did what I said I was going to do. Not to the extent that I wanted, but still, something is better than nothing, So, yeah. For now, I'm gonna say peace. I'll be back. I'll try to be back to streaming, like regularly gonna खोज्छु. Like I was burning out the day before and because of work and stuff, but now, like, if I get time, I'm gonna go live. But you know what? Life is all about living, and life is life. So for now, I'm gonna say peace, good night, have a good day, and have a good night. I'm really happy that I was able to do this shit. I was not expecting that I could do it. So yeah, peace.